The U.S. Air Force's Boeing E-4B Night Watch, better known as the Doomsday Plane, recently triggered global attention after flying from Offutt Air Force Base in Nebraska to Washington, D.C., then on to Los Angeles. Flight trackers lit up as tensions simmered in the Middle East and Washington entered a new political phase. As always, the Pentagon said nothing. But one thing is constant. An E-4B is on alert 24/7, ready to become America's airborne White House if the unthinkable happens. To understand why, you have to look inside the machine. The E-4B is a heavily modified Boeing 747-200, built to survive nuclear war. Its airframe and electronics are hardened against electromagnetic pulse, the shockwave that can fry modern systems after a nuclear detonation. Redundant wiring, shielded electronics, and analog backups ensure it keeps flying when everything else goes dark. Powered by 4 GE TF-39 turbofans, each pushing nearly 50,000 pounds of thrust, the Night Watch can cruise above 45,000 feet at nearly Mach 0.85. It can stay airborne for about 12 hours unrefueled, but with aerial refueling, it can remain aloft indefinitely. Missions have exceeded 35 hours. Inside is a flying command center. Multiple decks hold briefing rooms, secure communication suites, battle management stations, and workspaces for over 110 crew and staff, from generals and intelligence officers to technicians and cooks. A web of satellite links and radio systems connects it directly to missile forces, nuclear submarines, and hardened bunkers worldwide. Even as satellites and cyber networks dominate warfare, the Doomsday Plane remains the last physical backup of U.S. command authority. Its successor, the E-4C, is already being planned. Because when everything else fails, America still needs a place to make the final call.